Hello friends, thank you for tuning to Runner Space. Today I'm going to unbox a very good item for cyclists. The people who do cycling, it's very necessary for them. So I have ordered for this from Amazon and the price is around 350. So this is the invoice here, which is saying 329. See here. So let me open this thing here. So this is a high quality Solimo brand, Amazon brand, and this is a bag for the bike. I will just open it. It looks very good quality and it is very useful also if you do cycling. Yeah, so it's like this. If I just expand it, then this is how it looks. It's the right side and this is left. From the bottom, some velcro pasting. This is again for the pasting. This is the front side. You can keep your mobile, and this is how it is. So I will just install it on my cycle and then show you how does it look like. So before putting it to cycle, I am just going to show you how to put your mobile phone. So this is the velcro. You have to open like this. You take your mobile. This is my mobile, and you just put like this. I think up to 6 is in screen. You can put your mobile here like this. I think this is I put the wrong side. Let me correct it. So this is the correct side. You can. I think the touch is also working fine. Yes, double tap is always on. Yeah, and then you can lock it, and you can also put auto lock. After this, I am trying to put some items like a power bank may be needed while driving, while riding, a USB Type-C charger, maybe an ATM cards and an Aadhaar card, maybe a pen you could require for something. Also, I am putting some first aid item also, like some medicine, or Dettol, a bandage, and yes, what else is there in the first aid? Yeah, these are 2-3 medicines like cetirizine and all, and Band-Aid. So yeah, and there are two options. You can use Bluetooth while riding, or also you have option here. If you see, you can also use this. This is for your phone connection, like this. And you can put here if you have over and over. But my 6-inch, I may have to adjust here, and I usually use Bluetooth. So this is just for showing you that you can use this thing for your aux this thing cable. Alright, then let's go to the cycle and install this beautiful thing there. So guys, this is my cycle, and that is my kid cycle. This is my cycle which I am using right now for riding every day. So let me just take out and put this. So this is the bag, and this side is a phone upside down. You just need to open this velcro and first adjust here, and then open these two. And adjust here tightly. And you can tighten. You see it is not going anywhere. So guys, this is how you can use this. When you sit on the cycle, double tap, and this is opening. Right now, just because my screen is not visible, let me adjust the brightness. So see, I just opened the Strava. I got a drawback here. This is opening, like this. It should open from the down. It should be opening from the up. So if while driving, if you open it, then there are chances that some items may get down. But anyways, according to price, the quality and the utility is fine. You can use it. See here, touch is working fine. This is my morning ride today. So until now, my riding, my trekking was not fine because I was carrying my mobile in pocket or my bag. But now I hope my activity get tracked nicely. So that's all in this video, guys. I will come with another video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.